Howdy everyone. Going to be doing the mapping process on the S5 Roborock. I just did the unboxing, the setup with the app, and now I'm going to do the mapping, which I have no clue how to do, but I'm going to learn with you guys. If you didn't watch the first video, you need the My Home, whatever you want to call it, My Home app. That's on Android and the same icon on Apple. Now, I've already done the setup. It had, even though it was new, eBay, somehow it had someone else's house in there. So when I told it to go back to the docking station, it shows part of my house, I'm assuming. It's trying to load it right now. That kind of looks like my house, but it ain't even close. I'm only making it do the living room. I will show you right now. We'll see how it does. I got this little square I'm making it do. And I really don't care because I'm getting a new couch, a lot of new appliances, and it's going to have to remap anyways. But I'm wondering if it will do where I put my computer, if it'll do something like that and not run up over it. Obviously I can put up the do not enter wall things on the app, but we'll see how it does. It's already at the dock. I'm thinking if you tell it to clean, it is starting the cleanup. We'll see. I really got this because of a lot of bugs in my house. It's not quite getting them. Got a bug there, bunch of bugs right there. It flipped further away. Here we go. Will it miss that? Looks like it's using the bumper on the front to learn that that's there. I got a bug right there. Bug there. Not joking, I have a lot of bugs. Okay, as it goes by. We didn't vacuum for 1 week. This is 1 week. There's 2 bugs there. And a few things on the floor over here. It's a rental. Can't complain too much. So it's not going up against the wall there. And it looks like it picked up the bug but left something else behind. Will it push that box out of the way? Never thought of it going under there. There's some wiring under there, and don't go under my couch. It's just a setup video. Oh, is it gonna get stuck? Oh, it didn't get stuck. It's the same size. Wow. It's not quite getting right up against my couch. I know it's still mapping, but maybe it'll get better. Now will it know that's the docking station? Oh, it does. Battery's only at 40%. I don't assume it's going back to charge. Let's go and check out what the app is saying. 36%. So one lap in my house is 4%. I can't even tell that's my house. Like if you showed me that picture and was like, that's your living room, I wouldn't agree. Like that, found the docking station. See if it goes past there. Go clear to the... Why won't it go clear to the bookshelf? Are you scared of the bookshelf? They say it's like 3,000 RPM on the side. It's kind of spinning slow. Maybe because it's on carpet. Let's go see what the app is saying. Oh, it's coming at me now. That's about what it's doing. It's afraid of the bookshelves, which is a dirty area. It's coming up on some dirt over here. Let's see. Right there. Will it get it? Oh, maybe on the next pass. Feels like I'm a little kid looking in a china shop. I want to leave it alone because that sensor on top's finding more stuff. Here we go. It's gonna do it. Little piece of dirt. Maybe on the next swipe. Hey, got it. That other spot is like a stain. That's a stain. You got another piece of dirt coming up over here, which I think is an insulator off of wiring, so it's a bit heavier than dust. I don't know if you can see it in the video, but you could see the streaks that a normal vacuum leaves behind, which is normally how I tell if somebody just vacuumed before I came over. And all these white, oh, you can't even see it, white spots are from somebody painting the ceiling one time and not doing too good. See if it gets that spot on its next time. I even heard it go in. Vacuum, you are brave. Picked up some stuff over there, I could hear it go in. See if it comes back out that hole again. Huh? It finally made it over there. Oh, geez, don't go in there. Oh, it thought it was linoleum. It switched to a different mode for a second. Come on, go clear over there. There you go. Go, 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 go. Oh, he did it. He did it. There's some bugs right there. Did it get them? Yes, it did. Okay, so it doesn't... may have to switch out my shelving a little bit down there. It does not like the empty one right there. To make sure I'm not in its way. So it picked up them bugs, which is what I want it for. Because I'm probably still going to use the normal vacuum. I have a Kirby vacuum, and I like using it. This just sucks the crap off the top of the carpet. It don't quite suck out what's under the carpet. Or if you spill something, you really don't want this thing sucking it up. I would assume it'd last longer if you weren't sucking up water. It's really going to get this area, isn't it? Now let's go check it out in the app. Unless it goes and does something crazy on me. Looks like I can pause it in the middle of its process. Battery should be at maybe 28%, I'm thinking. 25. Now, it's supposed to know before it goes dead to go home. Okay. Instead of going... Okay, this is where the S6 or the S5 Max comes in handy. Instead of going back and forth where my bookshelves are, it would do a straight line and it would have been done in a minute instead of how long it's taking. Instead it's doing a zigzag. Yeah, just got a notification. Cleaning finished. And it's just going across. We'll check out the app after it goes back in. I notice that it's still spinning even though it knows it's done cleaning. What's it doing? You're facing the wrong way. There you go. Charging. So out of everywhere, the only problems I have is it was amazing it didn't ride up over that. It did not ride up over that because it has a front bumper, not because of the top sensor. But these bugs right here, I'm sure if I clean them bugs out, which isn't nothing, I got a little dirt devil, it'll be all right. But that bug right there, it actually shot back in there. So how much dust is it shooting everywhere? That, who knows? Well, let's compare the map differences. You're just going to have to take my word for it if it's close or not. Going back to, let's click on that and see what it does. 24%. So it took 15% to clean my living room. So 15, 30, almost a whole battery will clean my house. And it's a 700 square foot house. So let's look at this. What did it think of the computer stand? Some of this stuff I don't even understand what it thinks. Okay, where it shot that bug up, that is right there. I can't really pinpoint it. It sees stuff that don't really exist, but it did do really good. I'm going to open the whole house up to it once it's done charging and see it. Now it should keep that. Carpet mode. Looks like everything's good. Start, end, so it won't go off at night. Cleaning history. Whoever owned it before me, it just didn't like them because it cleaned my carpet first time around. When was that? Cleaning. 12/3. It's like a year ago. Now I'm going to do an update. Oh, did it tell me what the update was about? Nope. Well, that's the mapping feature. That you don't click map, you just tell it to clean. I clicked the cleaning button. It would be nice if there was like a map button where it could go around and map everything without cleaning. Maybe it could be a little bit quicker. But yeah, it worked great. I'm going to do my whole house one day, but since that took 15 minutes, I'm not going to do a 4-hour video. Hopefully this helped anybody that has mapping issues. And just remember, you have to have Wi-Fi or it will not do it. And my Wi-Fi was right behind that spot where it shot that bug up. So it's well, where it's parked right now, it's only 5 feet from the router. So make sure you have a good Wi-Fi signal, plenty of room, no rugs on the ground. Or no rugs, no blankets. I have a blanket with, here, I'll show you. I'm going to do a video on what it does when it finds this, because this doesn't look very good. That's my blanket. So, hope you guys enjoyed.